welcome back to Mother Trucker. Today we're going to fit a knob on my steering wheel. You get knobs everywhere. Online, in the shop. Big knobs, small knobs, little knobs. Now if you've got small hands you can make a little knob look big. Now I'm going to carefully cut my knob open with a knife. You can risk cutting yourself if you're not careful. Cool. This knob's quite tricky. Quite difficult to get my hands all the way around it. Well, I'm embarrassed to say I couldn't tighten my knob off with my hands. I had to use some tools. There we are, the finished product. My steering wheel knob. Looks pretty good on my hands, doesn't it?